The journey of white paper begins in managed forests, where trees are responsibly harvested.
Modern equipment allows trees to be cut efficiently while minimizing environmental impact.
After harvesting, the trees are prepared for transport by removing branches and shaping the logs.
The prepared logs are then transported to the paper manufacturing facility.
At the factory, raw materials are carefully received and organized for processing. Before becoming paper, the bark is removed to ensure clean, high-quality pulp. As each log rides the conveyor, spinning heads and jets of water peel away the rugged outer layer. Strips of bark spiral off, leaving smooth...
or this navigate nav formula. The clean logs are reduced into uniform wood chips for efficient pulping. Tackling to work harder, including a large pallet piles formed as...
Inside massive digesters, heat and chemicals break down the wood into soft pulp. Jets of steam churn the chips. Fibers loosen, separate, and swirl, turning the rigid wood into a creamy, fibrous slurry.
Pulp is thoroughly washed to remove impurities and excess chemicals.
To achieve bright white paper, the pulp is carefully bleached under strict control. Precise sprays deliver measured chemistry. Sensors track every reaction in real time. The result, fibers that emerge clean, strong, and brilliantly white.
The refined pulp is blended with water to create a perfect paper, making mixture.
Paper. The liquid pulp spreads across the machine, forming the first thin sheet of paper.
Excess water is removed as the paper gains strength and structure.
Heat dries the paper completely, transforming it into a solid white sheet.
The finished paper is collected into large rolls for further processing.
Precision cutters shape the paper into familiar sizes used worldwide.
Every sheet is carefully inspected to meet strict quality standards.
Great finishing rollers improve smoothness, brightness, and print quality.
The paper is packaged securely, ready for delivery to customers.
From towering trees in the forest to precision machines in the mill, the journey begins with logs and ends with something we use every day. Wood is chipped, cooked into pulp, pressed, dried, and sliced into flawless sheets. wrapped, boxed.